Hi, I'm Catherine Pruitt with Pruitt Law Group, where we play to win. And part of our winning strategy is helping our clients keep a cool head and make calm, educated decisions in their divorce cases. In my over 16 years of practicing exclusively family law, I have found that minimizing the drama and conflict in a case allows the client to achieve a quicker resolution for a lot less money. So here are my 3 tips to stay off the crazy train in your divorce case. My first tip for minimizing the conflict and drama in your divorce case is to keep your emotions in check. You may be justifiably very angry with your spouse's behavior and you may not want the divorce. But in my experience, few minds are changed by angry outbursts. Before you send that angry text message, make that angry phone call, or send that nasty email, keep in mind that your spouse may be recording you and may use those documents against you in court. Also, your spouse may be inspired to respond in kind. In that case, the conflict is often escalated, the attorneys get involved, and your case ends up being more expensive and taking longer than if you had not reacted. My second tip for avoiding unnecessary conflict and drama in your divorce case is to listen to your lawyer. If you find yourself having trouble keeping your emotions in check, talk to your lawyer to obtain recommendations for qualified counselors to help you keep your emotions in check and out of your divorce case. Focus your energy and attention on gathering the information that your lawyer needs you to gather, such as bank statements, credit card statements, and other financial statements, to keep the process moving along and productive so you don't get involved in unnecessary drama. My third tip for minimizing drama and conflict in your divorce is to keep your children out of your divorce case. What I mean by that is don't discuss your divorce case or related issues with the children. Turning your children into your confidant will be perceived very poorly by the court and is emotionally harmful to your children. Similarly, using the children to convey messages to your spouse is also emotionally harmful to the children and will be perceived poorly. Talk to your lawyer and learn to communicate with your spouse in a calm and businesslike manner in order to manage conflict, keep the emotions low, and achieve the best outcome in your divorce case. Taking the high road in an emotionally charged situation is often very difficult. That's why you need the steady guidance of a family law firm led by a board certified family law attorney to help you determine when it's best to take the high road and when it's best to stand your ground. I found that this approach helps my clients preserve their financial resources and their sanity. If this approach appeals to you, please call my office at the number below and schedule a consultation. I look forward to meeting you.